Well, welcome back to another episode of Walk and Talk. And I'm basically here. I have no idea where I am. I was out to just randomly look for stuff, just to explore, because I was bored inside. And it's actually really nice around here. There's this random mountain side. And I think there's a factory over there, so I'm not going to trespass, because I don't like doing that, especially if it's just people in there. If it's like abandoned, then probably I'll make a video. But I'll make sure I'm not trespassing. Those like weird barrels though. I walked up to them, but it was like a pump system inside, and there's like gravel and stuff. I'm not touching any of it because it could be something like a water place, and if I mess with that, obviously we might not get any water or anything. So I don't want to mess with any of this because I don't know what it is. I can probably show you inside this one here. Sorry if it's windy. It is windy for me, so sorry about that. Sorry if it's windy and stuff. Yeah, as you look, it's just pumps and stuff, and that's basically it around here. It's just I'm a bit too scared to walk off to the left because yeah, look at that view though. It's a nice view. Hopefully, you see that. And there's down there. I think there's just houses behind the tree area, behind those trees and stuff. Yeah, it is really beautiful. Those random barrels again. 2.2 milliliters, zone 2, whatever. That's what that says. That weird yellow mark. I thought it was a toxic sign at first. I was about to get the hell out of here, but it wasn't. It was just a zone. It's really odd, this area. I've never seen an area like this. But this could just be like a thing where you'd get water, like a water. Because I know there's a hill not too far from here, which basically is a water like mountain, where like it filters the water and stuff like that. So everyone around there gets water from that mountain, so it probably tastes more better. So this is probably our water fountain thing. As you can hear, it is raining, so if it picks up, I might have to stop there. But yeah, I'll try to film me walking down. This is like a hill. Again, it's like a hill that goes through a hill. Yeah. So that you can't see anything. This will be like just a couple of minutes where you can't see stuff. Again, I'm still wanting to get a better camera, etc. and all that. There's this weird pipe here. Again, I don't want to mess with it because I don't want to do anything. I'm a proud British boy, so I'm not going to mess with anything, any British government type of stuff. I just don't mess with that. So again, sorry that it's dark. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry about that. I'm holding the tablet away from my face because I'm trying to look where I'm going and stuff. But you can see my shoes, just blue shoes. Just light here, see, light here. Just like 2 more seconds. There's this weird locked thing here. Again, it's probably just for water. There's this road here. There you go, you can see them all. Road here. I might actually walk down to see where it leads to, because I only went up to the right side. I think that looked better. Hopefully this doesn't damage my tablet in any way, because it is raining. I'm trying my best to move the camera so it's not wet and whatever. Yeah, this is just a random path to, I guess, somewhere. I don't know where. Someone has obviously tried to go for that fence. No idea where this goes. It's kind of cool, to be honest. Another water thing. Yeah, I'm probably just going to jog back just in case if there's any cars, because I am in the morning. I think it's probably like 4:30 or some shit. Sorry for my swearing. Yeah, I'm walking down here. The wind has calmed down a tiny bit. but that's because I'm like behind trees and this fence here. Of course. I hope it's like light for you, it's fine and all that. As I'm walking down here. Stuff. I started off in a very different place. There's like a little path. I started off back here again because I just wanted to come back here because it was cool. I'm gonna go up this mountain here just to show you the view of the area where I'm at. Almost just slipped there. The only bad thing about going down here is that I have running shoes on. I thought I just heard something. Anyway, I think there are like bunnies around here. I do believe so. So it could just be a bunny. Look, this is the view I'm on about. This is like I said in the other video episode of Walk and Talk. It's just really a thingy, BMX type of course, type of thing. Sorry that it's windy. I am at a high point, so sorry if it's like windy and all that. Again, very sorry if it's windy. I know how it is watching a windy video. It's like poor quality. You need like one of those filters. But again, I'm on my tablet, so it's like not really my fault. It's not really my fault if it's like cloudy and stuff. Windy, sorry. Yeah. It's just this. I don't think anyone uses this apart from your odd, dodgy teenagers that probably go around here and like do whatever they do, probably just smoke and talk. I remember me and my sister used to go down there. There used to be a paper warehouse where there would just be abandoned paper and stuff. I hope you saw that bunny then. I hope you did. Just abandoned like paper area. And me and my sister went down there and we jumped around and stuff. And that was pretty fun. But then the guards like shouted at us, so then we had to like sprint out and climb over a fence. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I just came up from there, and yeah, now I'm come down here. The bunny went down there. I don't know whereabouts, but he went down there. But if you can try and see it. There's a windmill there, but I think that's just for mainly electricity and stuff. No, it's like beautiful. Alright. No, well, let's keep moving. And stuff. I'm sorry that my videos aren't exactly edited. It's just me walking around. Oh, I shouldn't have came down this way. I'm gonna have to slide down on my shoes again, like ninja style. Because it is wet. Put my foot on there, and then jog down. Okay. I don't want to get dirty because it just rained. That's why I started more later, so I don't get all my stuff wet. I'm probably gonna get lost again as I like explore new areas. I did came from there. I'm gonna see what's down here though, because I think I remember I just showed you down here and didn't even walk down because I think I was too lazy. I just wanted to get back home probably. Again, sorry for the wind. I know it's windy. I'm sorry about that. I can't exactly control the wind. I wish I could. That'd be cool. But you know, I can't. There's just more paths to where I came from. I wonder what's down here though. It's like bike tracks that lead. I think those are dirt bikes, sadly. Not been down this path. I think this is just where, like houses maybe. So I don't want to, if I do see a house, I don't want to move closer to the house just just in case. A bunch of birds scared me a little, but that's fine. Oh, so it's dark. I just noticed. I filmed downwards. Yeah, this is basically it. I'll just go back now, so because it's dark. It's not really good entertainment, is it? This more birds. This is going to be a long video. Oh, almost slipped. Yeah, it's just cool around here, really. I love exploring stuff, exploring things. I think I'm probably going to be exploring a lot more places on this channel instead of gaming, because gaming, it hasn't. It's just meh, to be honest. I'm just not enjoying playing games as I used to. Before I used to enjoy playing games non-stop, but now it's just like meh. I'm actually going to try and sneak back, so maybe that bunny's like come back. Possibly. I hope you did get to see the bunny. I hope it showed. But if I try and sneak back and make sure I'm filming upwards. I can try and catch it again. Can you like see any bunnies or anything? Probably not. Well, let's get home. Just random stuff around here, really. Maybe I'll like go down there and show you something new, or maybe I'll keep going down that path. Don't want the way I just came from stuff. Maybe I go down the path where the little BMX thing is. Or maybe one day in the future when I get a bike. I don't know if I actually want a bike though. I don't know if it's worth it. I might set up a video and all that. But yeah. If I get lost again, then it's just basically my own fault, but at least the video gets more longer. I think I came from this way. Oh no, I didn't come over this way, I came from that way. I'll just show you this way anyway. I might as well. Oh no, I think I actually did come from this way. That down there. No, I don't remember going down this way. Again, I'm lost. Well, I'm not really lost. Lost is like just different. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, honestly, it's just a good thing that I'm lost, because it's more content for you guys and probably funny content, I guess. Do believe it's this way, hopefully. I'm not just wasting my time walking down here. And that was the right way after all. I remember I have to go straight. And that's what I was going, straight. And this is obviously straight where I came from. Again, if you can't hear me because of wind, I'm very sorry. I can't really help it, again, as I keep saying. Oh no, I think I did actually come from this way, but I think this is the top bit. I think this is like the top bit of where I live. Because I live on a hill. I'm like the middle bit, and then there's like a top bit of the hill. Oh yeah, there's houses down there. Birds. Yeah. I was going the right way after all. What is this, 14 minutes long? And that's basically, I'll just jog up here. Sorry if it's windy. That was my hand. Oh, it was this way, wasn't it? No, it was this way. Bro, I love getting lost because it works my brain. But oh, it's picking up rain. So I'm gonna stop here, sadly. Please like and subscribe. As I like heading here. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode of Walk and Talk. Bye bye.